been thinking, He-Man, that we are charged up now, and our enemies have been fighting for some time now at Castle Eternia. It may have some treasures in there that we could use. What do you guys think? Well, I don't know. Maybe. Well, I know I'm ready for battle. I've been waiting. I want a piece of this action that's out there. Hey, Louis, you want some of this too, don't you? Yeah. Hey, let me at those punks, and I'll waste them. You know, this could be a good opportunity. Skeletor and his men, they've been weakened from the Grand Popes. They came out and gave them a licking more than once. Gave us a thrashing also. But I think it is about time. We are ready, aren't we? If we're going, count me in. By the powers of Atlantis, the powers of the universe, and the powers of Olympus, may my father Zeus give me a power to be a hero once more. Count me in if you're in, Chaos. I'm in too then, Chaos. You can count on the Gladiator. Well, I might as well do something. Saints are ready! I can't wait to get another shot at that Broly. That Broly, he messed us up, eh?